Okay guys and gals, Froggy here. This is my z06 2013, and mostly this is for my buddies on the Corvette forum. They're trying to help me out with a tool that I bought. It's called the tech2 scanner. And what I found on this car, it was running really rough, really bad, and I got some codes with a cheap handheld scanner, like cost $50-$60 at Pep Boys, and it wasn't really telling me very much. So I got this tech2, and it sent me to cylinder number 6. This is cylinder number 6. This is the coil. This is the wire. That's a wire from my C5 Corvette, a used wire from my C5, and that coil, I found it disconnected. It was hanging down there. There'd obviously been some burning going on at this connection here as it loosened up, and then finally it fell off. So that's the code. And the coil is still bad. I ordered a new one. I'll put it in when I get it. But it's burnt inside the coil, and I'm sure it's got a lot of resistance. And anyway, I'm trying to clear the code. Let me show you. So this is my tech2 that I got. Yeah, the lighting's not very good in here. Well, this will light up anyway when I turn it on. So it gets power from several different areas. One way you can get power is right off your 12 volt. There's power. Turn the power on. And this connects to the OBD2 sensor. Let me go underneath and do that. Okay, so I connected that, and you put the car in accessory mode. That's what there was a little bit of directions that came with this. And you have to have, the car turned on. Accessory mode is supposed to be okay as far as I know. And let's start running this tool here. Press enter. Now we're looking at diagnostics, F0. 2013 is my car, enter. Passenger car, enter. Chevrolet, enter. It's a Y body, so we'll go down arrow. I got the radio off, I got the AC off. Y body, enter. Powertrain, F0. 7 liter is my engine. Enter. Engine control, F0. Diagnostic, DTCs, F0. DTC display, F0. Alright, so it's communicating. ECM, engine control module, I guess. Status 1. 1 means there's a code. A 0 would be better, it means there's no code. So I press enter. Engine misfire detected. Now I already told you it's the number 6 cylinder. I already told you it's definitely that. I found it disconnected, so don't go off in the weeds on something else that it might be. It's the number 6. It says last test not run, this ignition not run. I've been driving the car every day. So it says symptom 0. Clear DTCs. Now, hold on a second. I don't know what symptom 00 means. But there's a button there. These are soft buttons up top. Right here it says clear the DTCs. So that's what I'm doing, alright guys? Clear the DTCs. Alright, it still says 1 code. Clear ECU DTCs. This ECU has stored multiple DTCs, various systems, freeze frame. I haven't done any of that. Do you really want to clear? Yes. Press the yes button. Clear in progress. Now, some guys say I'm supposed to be able to clear this even though I have not fixed the problem yet. Command to clear, unsuccessful. Wait 60 seconds and try again. So, I'll wait. Okay, 60 seconds went by. I'm going to try enter to retry. Clearing in progress. Command unsuccessful. Alright, so here it is, guys. What am I doing wrong? Am I on the wrong screen? Exit. ECM. Let's try it here. Alright. Clear. Yes. Clearing in progress. Unsuccessful. Alright, so I tried it on 2 different screens. Let's try it on this screen. Clear DTCs. Clear. Yes. Unsuccessful. Alright, so that's 3 screens I tried it on. So, what am I doing wrong? Data display, special function snapshot. So this is a clone. Don't post anything about you should have bought the real thing, okay? That's not going to be useful to this thread. We're trying to learn how to use one of these clone tech2s and help other people use the clone tech2. So I'm the guinea pig. I'm learning on it myself. I'll put up some videos on my channel. So, give me a thumbs up or like. This helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And take care. Be safe. Froggy out. Bye.